Hello everybody and welcome to another episode. It's a little bit different this episode. We're going to be changing the feel of these things going in the future. So today we're going to be doing something that I love doing at the weekends, especially as it's a weekend when we're filming this. And I've got a brand new toy, so you'll be seeing me in 4K now. So today we're going to be doing some cooking of a little recipe that I saw recently on the internet of some mac and cheese, but using only 3 ingredients, which, if you're a fan of mac and cheese, you know, is quite clever. So, on with the cooking. So, 3 ingredient mac and cheese. Sadly, we went out to get some macaroni this morning, and there seems to be a world shortage of it, so we're actually using penne today. It's pretty much the same. It shouldn't really make that much of a difference, especially not to the flavour. We've got some milk, and for an additional thing outside of the 3, we're going to add some bacon lardons as well into this, because we love bacon into it. Everyone loves bacon, if you're a vegetarian. If you are, I'm sorry. Really, you just don't get to eat bacon. Sorry. And then we got a bit of an odd ingredient, and this is something that's why I want to try this recipe. When I saw it, is we're going to use cheese slices. Yeah, a bit odd, but apparently this makes mac and cheese. Not tried this before. This is the first time I'm trying it. It could go horribly wrong, or it could go absolutely right. So, should we get with it? Okay, right, so over here I've got some water boiling, and I've got a pan getting hot, and I'm just going to put some olive oil in there just to get that warmed up ready for the bacon. So a little bit of olive oil just in a hot pan, and then we're going to get the bacon. Throw that into there, and I'm just going to get a little spatula and move that around a bit. So we're just wanting to soften that down, maybe put a little bit of crisp on it. I'm going to leave that there. Ouch, thank you. We're going to salt the water for our pasta. A good pinch of salt in there. And we're going to get our bag of pasta. Just grab a knife and open our pasta. See, they always make these things absolutely impossible to get into, especially when you're doing a demonstration. And we're just going to throw our pasta into the pan. And then we're going to grab a little spoon and we're going to give that a stir. And then you're going to say, "Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes please."
Alright, 5 minutes, starting now.
Okay, so our pasta now boils for 5 minutes. Our pasta's going to boil for 5 minutes, our bacon's going to fry up, and we'll be back in a few seconds time when the timer runs out. So our bacon is now got a little bit crispy, nice and, lovely smell. Okay, so we're just going to take that off the heat, and we're just going to put it into a bowl with some kitchen roll, just to get rid of a bit of that fat and oil, because we don't want to be completely unhealthy. I'm just going to wait now for our pasta. It's going to boil. So far we've cooked our bacon, drained it, boiling our pasta, and in a second time I'm going to drain the pasta and we'll start making the sauce. But we're going to keep the heat on low, just in case we need to add some extra heat into that pan to get the cheese going. And we should be... Okay Google, thank you, stop. Right, so we're now going to drain our pasta. Okay, so we've got our drained pasta. So we need see, just normal pasta. So now we're going to get to the weird bit. So I'm not quite sure on any of the measures or anything like that, so I'm just going for this amount of pasta. We're probably going to be using this whole pack of 8 slices of a well-known brand of cheese slice. So, 1, 2. Maybe I should have unpeeled these first and put them on a little plate to put in. One of these days I might get professional, I don't know. I wonder how many kids are watching this now going, what a waste of dairy lean. Roll it up, stick it in your face. More. Oh, probably. Okay, so we've got the pasta, we've got the cheese, and we're just going to try and melt that cheese into the pasta. I'd probably recommend, if you guys are going to try and copy this, it might be worth putting the one sheet of the cheese in and turning it around to try and get a better melting ratio of cheese to pasta. It might work a little quicker than it is doing for me at the moment. Just see if we can break some of that up now. So pretty much like that. Sorry that. So I'm just going to pop a little drop of milk in that. I'm going to go back onto the heat and see if we can aid that sauce a little bit. It seems to be getting there. It definitely seems to be like sauce. What we'll do is we'll probably add just turn that heat up a little bit more. I'll just give a drop more milk going in there, just to see if we can. I don't think we're thickening up the sauce, the cheese is melting. Definitely got a cheese sauce there. A little bit more. Just give it a bit more heat. Just warm it up a bit. And a drop more milk. waste any of that cheese. So now I'm going to give it a taste because I want to know what the seasoning has to be on that. I'm just going to offer a little bit of taste on that. Actually, that's not bad. All I'm going to do is I'm going to probably add a little bit of a smoked salt in there. I've got some wild garlic salt here, and I think a little bit of that. And then, because we want a bit of heat, we're going to add some black pepper and some cayenne pepper. We're going to add a little bit of that cayenne pepper just for a tiny bit of the heat, and some cracked black pepper in there. So we're going to mix that together. We're going to put that back on the heat, get some more heat into there, get all those flavours mixing together. Maybe a couple bit more bits of cheese would have helped in there. Maybe melting the cheese just a little bit at a time, a little bit better. So let's give this a taste with the seasoning. Oh, that's perfect, absolutely perfect. So let's take that off the heat. We'll go back to the counter. Get rid of those. So, we forgot one thing. One thing will make this absolutely brilliant, and that's our bacon from before. So we're just going to put the bacon in there. I'm going to mix that together. There we go. Back to my fork. And we'll try it with the bacon, because bacon makes everything better. And there we have it. That's good, actually. 3 ingredient mac and cheese, penne and cheese in our respect. Just mac and cheese, maybe 3 ingredients, dairy leaf slices, pasta, and a drop of milk. But few little condiments, and the top, some herbs and spices, and you've got a perfect meal in just less than 10 minutes. So if you enjoyed this, please subscribe, click on the notification bell, and it'll tell you when new ones are coming up. And maybe leave a few comments at the bottom to see what you'd like us to cook next. Anyway, I'll catch you on the next one. I'm going to eat this now.